Guys, today we are going to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin right now. I am going to follow up on my video I posted yesterday when I gave you a big warning. So I'm going to give you the latest when it comes to that. And also, guess what? One of the biggest buying opportunities may be approaching for Bitcoin. Welcome back everybody, my name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And also a huge thank you to everyone who gave me good feedback on my video I posted yesterday, where I gave you a warning about something I am actually going to follow up on today. So yeah, let's get straight into it, guys. So here for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that we have had inevitably a very decent actually pullback here. So the pullback we've had from the top here is 15% already. So it's quite juicy. What you can see though is on the 4-hourly time frame, the orange box down here is doing what it can to try to support us here. Okay, so it's doing what it can to support us. Now if we go to the hourly time frame, how is this looking? Well, you can see that in general we have had these impulsive waves down. We've had a little bit of a bounce, wasn't able to sustain that, continue to go down, have a little bit of a bounce. But yeah, you can see like this. So let's see, guys, if this orange box here right at the edge here is able to support us. This is a big support level, but we will have to wait and see, guys. There's a lot of insecurity in the market right now. There's a lot of uncertainty, I should say. So of course, this is why you're getting this volatility in Bitcoin as well. So one thing I want to talk about is my general plan. So of course, if you've been following my channel, you already know about my general plan, which is, I'm going to reiterate that, no matter what happens here with the war and whatever is going on, I believe that we have either hit the bottom already around $34,000, $33,000, or we are going to find our bottom around this vicinity, okay? So with that in mind, if we go any lower, I'm just going to be buying more Bitcoin. I mean, we are about another 15 or so percent from that specific level. So, I mean, we've already gone down 15% from the top here. Maybe we're going to drop another 15%. But if we do that, I am going to be a buyer. No one knows where the Bitcoin price is actually going to go, but we can make good decisions depending on where it actually goes and the reality of the situation. So I'm not saying that we are going to drop down to these levels. I'm just saying that if we go there, I am going to be a big buyer of Bitcoin. Why so? Do we have something supporting that thesis? Yes, we do. So apart from these support levels, apart from my double red line and my orange box down here, my bold orange line right here at $33,000, we do have something else as well. Now, these are different things I've been talking about previously. This is the video yesterday where I talked about how we were squeezing inside of these two moving averages. So you got the blue moving average up here, you got the teal down here. This is the 21 EMA, this is the 100 EMA. Okay, so it's looking likely that we may be, squeezing inside of this moving average for a while until we do have that breakout either to the up or to the downside. Now, you can see that we have this massive support here right now at $33,000. So this is strengthening my thesis that yes, the local bottom is most likely going to be around the $30,000 level if we haven't hit it already. So we have this red line, we have this teal line here as well. Now, if we break down from this teal line, just like I said yesterday, that's bad news for Bitcoin because in general, we do then see a rather big drop for Bitcoin. So we are going to have to keep watching that as well, guys. I am going to keep you updated in this video or on this channel, I should say. So let's continue. Let's go to the daily time frame. You can see that we broke out of this, had a fake out, now very apparent fake out here, went down into this again. So we're going to have some support here at 37,600 approximately. So make sure to watch that on the daily time frame. Apart from that, we have on the weekly time frame again, you do have this resistance level up here, which we are finding very hard to break through. 3 candles right here on the weekly time frame trying to break through this, not able to do that. But this is where the buying opportunity comes into play, because what you can see here is that in general on the RSI here, when we hit this support level on the RSI, you can see that we hit it multiple times here, and every time we do hit that, it usually leads into a bounce. So this is a short-term thing you can watch right now, which is probably going to bounce the Bitcoin price if we hit this. So make sure to watch this, the weekly time frame, the RSI, and this trend line. Apart from that, you also have the biggest buy-in opportunity, okay? So also on the weekly time frame, every time we have gone down from this red line right here, it has been due to a black swan event, okay? And every time we have gone down into below this level, it has been massive buying opportunities. So you can see right here, we had a massive buying opportunity once we went down from it. We went up by, what is that, 223%, pretty much immediately after doing that. Right here as well, we went up actually by 4,500% if you consider this whole run. You got this one right here, we went up by 1,610%. So if we are going to break down from this particular level, this is right now also at $31,000, $32,000, $33,000 it's going to be at. If we do see this drop and hit us, or if we hit this level, you're going to see this probably be very strong support. But if it is not strong support and we break down from it, buying below that level tends to be a very good decision. Is it going to be that this time if we drop down below it? Again, I'm not saying in either of these situations, I'm not saying that it is going to happen. I'm just preparing you for if it happens and what the history has been telling us. Well, it has been telling us very good buy-in decision below this level. So we will see about that, guys. We will see if we drop from it. We will see if we are going to get that massive bounce. If we drop from this level, I am going to, again, be a massive buyer. $30,000, 32, 33, that is just too big of a opportunity for me to not buy more Bitcoin. So I am going to keep you updated regarding that. Traditional markets are going sideways for a bit, but the last day we have had, or last 2 days actually, we've had a drop here. So Thursday, Friday, we went down here. So that is also, of course, affecting the Bitcoin price right now. Now, traditional markets closed today, opening up tomorrow evening. So we will watch that. If we do see a nice little pump here, once they open up, that is going to be good for Bitcoin. Guys, if you want to start trading, you're able to claim 4,530 over on Bybit, 8,000 over on C-Trade, Femex 3,500. Axe, you're able to earn massive income passively on your crypto, and also Delta Exchange, the #1 options trading platform. You got a 10% discount using that exchange and using my link. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.